new quarter-inch 39-piece tool set from Beta. The tools are firmly held inside the compact and sturdy plastic box that is opened not from the front, but to the side. In the set you have 21 different bits including slotted, Phillips, Aussie-drift, hex and Torx, 11 hexagon sockets starting from 5mm up to 14mm, 2 extensions 50mm and 100mm, a universal joint, a socket holder and a bit holder. But that's not all. The set also includes a quarter-inch drive spinner handle and the 955 ratchet with 48-tooth mechanism. Check TME's website to find more details about this and similar products. Browse through hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. You need it, we have it.